Hi, in this video I will show you a method that fixes most of the Windows problems. For example, if you have an update or many on Windows and it tells you that there is an error and the update doesn't do it, even if you have tried many times, or if your system keeps crashing or gives you serious errors that cause the blue death screen, or you have noticed for reasons unknown to the world a serious slowdown in the system, or even but I'm not sure if it works, if you have had an attack virus or you have been hacked. This method will fix most of these things, but about viruses and hackers I'm not sure if it will work, but try anyway. So now let's get started. First, go to this site. I'll leave the link in the description. First you have to choose your build. If you don't know your build, I will show you now. For the build, open the settings. And after that you have to go to Windows Update. Then after that go to Windows Insider Program. Wait a little while it loads, and you will find out if you are in stable, normal or high as beta or dev. In this case I am in the stable one, that is the normal one. As a second step, go to System and go all the way down and click on About. And here you must see the edition of Windows you have. And what type of architecture you have, whether it is x64 or ARM64. Returning to the site, click on the button next to your release type which says x64 or ARM64, in short your architecture. Be sure to click Windows without the update for Windows text, because if you do it will just be an update and won't do anything special. And now select your language, or in any case the one with which your Windows came or the country where you bought the computer. Be sure to select editions or one edition that includes the edition first seen in the settings. As you can see, my Enterprise Edition is part of Windows Pro. Be sure to choose only yours. But before we really continue forward, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and activate the bell, to always receive videos almost like these. Then you have to choose how you want to download it. I recommend the middle one that says download and convert to ISO, but the choice is yours, and I also recommend you select the other two options in the conversion options, so your system will be even better general. After downloading the file, go and extract it. Click on the file that ends with Windows CMD. You might get a security warning like this. Click on More Info and click on Run Anyway. Don't be scared. A terminal will open, which is exactly where the whole process will take place. It will tell you a security warning if you want to run this file. Click R on the keyboard and press Enter. In short, read what is written. And so the whole process of creating the ISO image will begin. I warn you that this operation will take quite some time, and will be finished depending on the power of your computer. So if you have a poor computer and poor internet, this operation will take many hours. So now be patient, and wait 2 or 3 hours, or simply as said before, based on how powerful your computer and internet is. At the end of the process you will have to press, as he says, the number 0 or Q on your keyboard. And in any case, to make you understand, it really took a long time to make this image. Coming back to us, by pressing 0 or Q, the terminal will close, still in the folder that you extracted. Now after finishing the process, there should be an ISO file, which has a really strange name and is long. Open the ISO file by simply double-clicking on it, after which open setup.exe and click on Next, and you will understand the rest of the process. Unfortunately, I didn't choose the correct language and I can only keep my personal files but not the apps, since the Windows I have are Italian, so now I will show it to you inside a virtual machine. And nothing. Now you have to wait for another 30 minutes or more for Windows to update, like he thinks he is installing a new Windows, but in reality he is updating the system. And after all this very long process, we will finally have Windows fixed, so your corrupt files, bugs, and much more will be fixed. And as you can see, we also have the system super updated to the latest version. Next, look in your search bar for disk cleanup, and be sure to run as administrator. After it has scanned everything, click on all the boxes, just to clean your system and delete the old one that is still saved on your computer. During the cleaning process, you will see this warning. Click on yes if you want to remove the old version of Windows you had before, or if you want to leave it if you want to do something with it. And this was the main process, but if the problem is really very serious, you can also use this file to reinstall Windows completely. So if you need it, first save the data you want somewhere, like on an external hard disk. So after you have saved the data you need, download Rufus and open it, and make sure you have a USB stick of at least 8 GB. Now be sure to take the stick of at least 8 GB and insert it into your computer. Now go and select the ISO file. Click on Start, and it will show you some very useful options. I'm not interested, so I deselect everything and click on OK. A warning will appear telling you if you want to proceed, because this will erase all your data on the USB stick. At the end of the process, click on Close, and you will have to go to your boot menu. If you don't know your boot menu key, go online and search. Then turn off your computer and turn it on, and immediately start pressing your boot key. Then in the boot manager, select your USB stick. To select, use the arrow buttons on your keyboard, and hit enter. And here we are in the Windows installation part. Since I don't really want to do it on my computer, I will show it to you on the virtual machine. Then click on Next and Install Now. If it asks you something about the ProCut key, click on I don't have a product key. It may ask you for your Windows edition. Select which one you want, or the one your computer came with. Then accept the terms. And select Custom Install Windows Only. After that, select your Windows partition, which is usually the largest one. In short, I think you will understand on your own. But if you don't know, reboot your computer and check. And then click on Format. This will clear everything. Please delete Windows and all your stuff, and then your computer will be fresh. Then click on Next and wait for it to finish with the new installation. In total, it should take like 30 minutes. Well, here I assume that you yourself understand what to do. In short, complete your configuration, and your computer will be ready and fresh, new, without viruses or various problems. But be careful for next time. Perfect. After this whole process, go and install all your drivers, apps, programs, and much more. For the drivers, I'm going to install my VMware tools since it's inside a virtual machine. Perfect. Now that everything is ready, I can finally use Windows, which is all fresh and nice new. And nothing. This was how to fix most Windows problems, namely system corruption, bugs, and other things, and maybe a little bit viruses too. However, if this video helped you solve your problem, or you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and activate the bell to always receive videos almost like these. Anyway, I thank you for your vision and attention so far, but I think it's time to say goodbye. So, I wish you a good day. Goodbye.